Storytime!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the cuddly, clever letter C. Let's say it together. C, C, C. Meet Cleo the cat. She's curious, clever, and loves cupcakes. She lives in a cozy cottage in the middle of Cookie Lane. One crisp morning, Cleo had a craving for the perfect cupcake. I'll find the most colorful cupcake in all of Alphabet Land. She grabbed her map and tiptoed out with a purr.
What do me vidim?
On her cupcake quest, what did Cleo see? A caterpillar crawling on a cookie with glee.
A camel with crayons painting bright and fun, and a clown juggling carrots one by one.
Finally, Cleo reached the cupcake castle. It was covered in cream, cherries, and confetti. A sign sparkled. C is for cat, cupcake, and curiosity. What a cozy cupcake quest! Cleo the cat showed us how fun the letter C can be. Can you think of more C words? Let's keep exploring.